I am again. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. This morning we got just a little bit too close to the birds on the roost. See, when you don't do your homework the night before, sometimes that'll hurt you. One thing you should always learn, stay on the edge of something when you don't do your homework, because if you walk right into them, nothing you can do. I really believe you got to be at least 100 yards from the birds, if not better. This way you can make a move once they come out of the roost, whereas we were stuck. They stayed in the trees. I saw my decoys. They didn't want to, they fly down and fly back up in the trees, almost like they were tame birds. Two real nice times, and I heard a gobble back behind me a ways, and after those birds were gone, I tried scattering them off the roost, and it worked pretty good because one small gobbler came in, but it really wasn't worth shooting. Not gobbling where you are. There's not a bird where you are. Doesn't mean there isn't one a mile down the road. You know, the thing is, you just got to cover a lot of ground. And when it starts to get real warm like this, it'll wear you out, especially after 4 days in a row, getting up at 3:30 in the morning. It'll wear you out. You know, you just don't feel like walking that distance. You know, if we were in big mountainous country, like up in the northern tier in Pennsylvania, then you can drive and call. You know, it's a little bit easier. But just walking like this, when it's starting to become 75 degrees, 80 degrees, it gets a little bit rough. Turkeys get a little bit lazy. Unless you find a hot bird, you're in a little bit of trouble. It's best to just call it a day and go fishing.
Continuing our quest for the eastern gobbler, our caller, Ron Branca, uses a hot cutter mag Haley caller and a few of his special techniques to locate the bird of a lifetime. Watch now as Ronnie really shows off his savvy turkey talk while coaxing this cautious hen within easy bow range.